Hi, it's Nick Drew. I'm here today in Cheadle. I've been asked by the team at Ritchie Brothers to give you a little guided tour of an excavator and a bit of background on what's what and all the rest of it. So let's go and take a look. Starting off at the business end, we have obviously the bucket. Come in various sizes for different applications. Here we have a quick coupler. In this instance it's a manual one, but you can get hydraulic fully automatic ones. Moving up here you have the auxiliary things for your hydraulic hammers and other hydraulic attachments like a flail mower or something like that. Obviously here we have, this is the boom. You'll notice with this machine the hydraulic ram is there up there behind to protect from any damage, impact and all the rest of it. Down here is your dozer blade. This one has extended pieces because the tracks on this machine go in and out. So you can, if you've got to get in a tight spot, you can fold these in, squeeze your tracks in through the access point, and when you're on the other side, everything goes out again. Coming around the back, here we have the engine compartment, which pops open. In here you'll find all your regular service part points and where you can check your oil, like here. You see that? Coolant expansion bottle, radiator, your battery, all those things, all the filters, engine oil filter there, all easily accessible. And here, the key goes in there and that gives us access to our diesel filler point. There we go, nice little gauze filter in there, protect from any dirt going in. Okay, this machine is fitted with rubber tracks, but you can specify steel tracks on machines. Obviously you've got your track motor at the back, your idler at the front, and you adjust the track by undoing this piece of plate here, and in there you can pump the track up for tension with a grease gun. Here is your king post. This is for your offsetting of the arm. You can go, either side, right or left. Going up into the seat area, this is a safety lever like you get on most excavators. Once that's down and the engine's running, everything's live, so you can operate the machine. Usual levers for any excavator. This is in the what they call the ISO pattern. Over this side we have a dozer lever for you controlling your dozer blade. This has got a manual throttle and your ignition key behind here. Two track levers, and there's a button there for the 2-speed tracking. Here, this foot pedal is for operating the offset, the hydraulic offset. Self-explanatory, left and right. And on this side you have another pedal which you use if you have your attachment fitted, and you can run it using that pedal. Yeah, on this side is your information screen. It's quite a simple one on this machine, but there you go. As you can see, you've got your fluid temperatures, and you've got your fuel level and other warning lights there. You've got your time, and you can adjust things using these buttons. This machine's got the high-vis orange seat belt. So this machine's a canopy version, and it's also got its new LED light package. You've got lights up here, and there's one on the boom down there. You can probably specify other lights if you want them. So there you go, that's the basics of this Takeuchi TB217R machine. So let's see the machine in action as I deliver it back to the experts here at the team of Vickers Plant Services.